Everybody, B-Man J. Got a little question for you. Do you notice anything different about this box? Got 2, 4, 6, 8 frames. All right, and I just sat them in there. They're not all the way down, of course. But if you look at the thickness of that thing. This is a box I made, I think about 17 years ago. And it is not the inch boards that we usually use, which is actually 3/4. This is a 2-inch board, which is about 1.5 inches, 1 5/8. And yes, it is longer. So when you put your other boxes on top, they sit back here, and this catches water. Same width, roughly. Yeah. Okay. So why did I make it? Well, if you look at most trees, they are much thicker than this on the sidewall where the bees live in. They're about 2 to 3 inches on average that the bees live in. And they just have that center cavity. So logically thinking, I was like, well, we need thicker boards on all of our hives, and that way the trees or the bees will maybe survive better. So that was built many years ago, and I only got 3 nails in each, and it's just a lap joint. It's not the typical dovetail, but it went together really easy. My bees were in there very, very well. They survived every single year in those types of hives, in these type hives. And the only reason I stopped using them is I had to move my bees down here to Tennessee from Michigan, and I just quit using them because they were so heavy. And I started pulling bees out, and I put them in other boxes so I could load them up. And then I just brought these boxes down here. So they have not been used for about 10 years. I'm going to be using this on a tree gum. I was figuring I'll put this below the bees, and maybe the bees will move down. And I got to get I'm going to take one of these frames and switch it out with one of my other hives, get some brood in there, and we'll see if the bees will move down. Most of the time I've had them move up out of the trees, but not all the time. Alrighty. Well, hopefully you enjoy the video and you always learn something. At least I hope you do. These are a little stiff because of all the wax I got to clean off the sides and the propolis. Clean these up. It's really bad on the edge here. I won't clean it up too much because that propolis is good for the bees. If you're not sure why, look it up or watch one of my other videos. Alright, like and subscribe my videos. I appreciate it. Be safe, be calm, and have fun.